Hi there. In this video, we are going to insert slide number on our PowerPoint presentation. It doesn't matter we have one slide or more. I am going to insert few more slides so that we can insert slide number and see result on many slides. As we can see that there is no content, but don't worry. We are going to insert slide number and then we will see that the slide number will be inserted on our PowerPoint slide. I am going to insert tab, then header and footer. After selecting header and footer, there are many options. I am going to with slide number. We have to check slide number. Also, you can add footer. If you have disclaimer for your presentation, then you can add footer. There is one more option. If we will select this option, then slide number will not appear on title slide. It means if we will select this checkbox, then slide number will not appear our first slide. I am going to apply on all slide. Just hit on apply to all. Then we will see that a slide number is inserted on each slide on the left, on the right side of the PowerPoint presentation. We can see that we are now on slide number 9. If you want to change the font of the slide number, instead of selecting one by one slide number, just go to the view tab, slide master, then office theme, slide master. I am going to select this one. Home tab, we can change font of our PowerPoint slide number. I am going to alien round empty bold. I want to change the color of the font so that it look more clear. I am selecting blue one. Now going to slide master, close master view. Then we can see that our font is changed on each slide and font is changed as well. In this way we can add slide number on our PowerPoint presentation.